Hi everyone, this is Janani. In today's video, we would be discussing a problem about matrices. So, the problem statement is as follows. Write a function known as solution m comma d that accepts a matrix of size n cross n in the form of a nested list and an integer d. The function returns a matrix after replacing all the border elements by the of the matrix by D. So, basically you will be given an input similar to this, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and if you are specified with a value of D like 0, you have to replace all the borders with 0 and then return the final matrix. So, in this matrix, the first row, the last row, the first column and the last column will correspond to the border of the matrix, and these borders are being replaced with the value 0, and the output would be looking like this, that is all the borders are 0 except the middle value 5. So, this is a test case is given as well as the expected output is also given. So, now let us look on to the algorithm which we can use to solve this problem. So, let us try exploring the algorithm behind it. So, basically if a matrix say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is being given, the output should be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0. This is for D equals to 0. So, basically what is happening here is that the first row is being replaced with zeros, the last row is being replaced with zeros, the first column is being replaced with zeros and the last column is being replaced with zeros. So, now let us try applying the same logic into our code. Let us create a function known as solution which will take inputs as the matrix M and the value D. Def solution of M comma D. Now, let us create a variable known as length which will store the dimension of the matrix. Length equals to len of M. Now, we have to iterate over the rows as well as the columns in the matrix, and we have to check whether it is going to be the first row or the first column. If it is going to be the first row, then we have to replace all the values present in the first row with the value D, and if it is going to be the first column, then we have to replace all the values present in the first column with the value D. The same thing will be applicable to the last row as well as the last column. We will create two for loops. The first for loop is going to iterate over the rows and the second for loop is going to iterate over the columns. So, for I in range of length, this is going to iterate over all rows in the matrix. The next for loop for j in range of length. Note that the matrix which we are accepting as input will always be a square matrix. So, now we have to do 4 checks, basically whether it is the first row or the last row or first column or the last column. So, this can be done by if I equal to 0 or I equal to length minus 1 or j equal to 0 or j equal to length minus 1. So, I equal to 0 checks whether it is going to be the first row, and I equal to length minus 1 is going to check whether it is going to be the last row. Similarly, j equal to 0 is going to check whether it is going to be your first column, and j equal to length minus 1 is going to check whether it is going to be your last column. So, if so, then our matrix would be M of ij. The ijth element of the matrix is going to be replaced with the value D. Finally, we will return the matrix M. Now, let us try running it for a test case. This is going to be our M matrix and this value is going to be D. Print solution of M comma T. Now let us run this code. we can see that the output is same as that of the expected output. Here the first row is replaced with zeros, the last row is replaced with zeros, the first column is replaced with zeros and the last column is replaced with zeros. So, we have replaced all the border elements in the matrix M with the value of t, that is 0, and then printed the final matrix. Thank you.